Hey, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity, guys. AXS Infinity is also a positive cryptocurrencies in the market, and especially in this critical situation of a cryptocurrencies market. AXS Infinity is a profitable coin for investment, guys. Anyways, guys, in this video I'm talking about the price update of AXS Infinity. So keep watching this video complete, and if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe now for more news and update videos. The current live price of AXS Infinity in the market is about 71.86 USD dollars. 71.86 USD dollar is the highest price of AXS Infinity. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes occur in AXS Infinity, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes occur in AXS Infinity as positive. In last 1 week changes is about negative 2.97% is negative, guys. Only last 1 hour, last 1 day changes is positive, and last 1 week changes is negative, guys. You can see here, guys, shape like that. I'm just talking about the latest situation, guys. You can see here, guys, if I zoom the price chart, so this you can see here the latest situation of AXS Infinity is going on. In the previous time on 6-7 September, the price AXS Infinity falls, but after 8 September the price again start pumping, and now still in the latest situation they are also in the pumping mood, and personally I'm sure that they continue this pump for a long time, guys. Anyways, the update is like that. 62.2% positive changes occur in AXS Infinity, and 92.42% is the high. 92.42 USD dollar, that is the highest price. You know what, guys, my target for AXS Infinity is that in the next month, at the last of next month, the AXS Infinity price will be 100 USD dollar. That's my target for AXS Infinity. What you think? What is your opinion? Please also share in the comment box about AXS Infinity. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.